Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to go over Python list sorting, and we're also going to sort tuples. So, let's just jump right into it. I gotta get my mic situated here. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to sort a list in ascending order. So I'm just going to use we're going to create a list here really quick. And now we're going to actually sort the list. And this will just sort it in ascending order. So if we run this here, you can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty simple. These won't be too wild. Pretty simple sorting here. And then we're going to use the same variable for this next one, which is where we're going to sort it in descending order. So let's just create the list. 3, 4, 2, and 1. And then we're going to do reverse equals true. And if we print this, then we're going to get, should be 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go, look at that. In 2023. And I appreciate everybody that's subscribed and watched me so far. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.